This isn't just a flight, it's an opening into the next version of me. I'm leaving behind noise, not just in place, but in pace. Business lounge rituals, soft clings, quiet work, a moment to be. Boarding, business class, a mirror of how far I've come. There's love in the quiet support beside me. Champagne, stillness, spaciousness. A breath before stepping into the one vision that holds all of me. And as we lift off, I carry it all. The beauty, the devotion, and the one vision everything before has led me to. This is what devotion looks like in motion. A full dinner in the sky, a moment of rest. The way I move is the life I've shaped. This is care, real and mine. A moment to unwind. Skincare because this part of me travels too. I don't jump into work, I return to what grounds me. While we fly through the night, I create. It didn't get here by chance. I chose this over and over. We're not escaping, we're experiencing the sea, the sky, the life we love. Not a break, just a continuation of the life I've built on my terms. Venice, not just a place, a moment we'll never forget. The water, the stillness, a day made of joy, and all of us in it. We move through it slowly, gratefully. Not because we had to, but because we chose to slow down. No noise in our minds. It's just laughter. No rush. Just being. We saw Venice by water. Walked it with full hearts. Sat down for coffee and enjoyed lunch. This is what we will remember, not the plans, the feeling. And if there's one thing I'd say to the woman watching and the girl I once was, it's this. You can create all of it, dream it, live it, love inside it. This is your life and you're just getting started.